Solve every save game error on Windows 10 or Windows 11 with this simple fix that works for all PC games. All you have to do is go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings and scroll down. You can able to see controlled folder access. Select manage controlled folder access and make sure controlled folder access is turned on, and then select allow an app through controlled folder access and select yes option and select allow an allowed app and select browse all apps option, and you just need to navigate to the game exe file that you having problem with. Just navigate and select the game application file and select open option, and the game has been added to this list. Now the game will start saving your data. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.